Not only in love, I was obsessed with a friendship that no one else could touch. It didn't work out, I'm covered in shells. And all I wanted was a simple thing, a simple kind of life. And all I needed was a simple man, so I could feel right. I'm so ashamed, I've been so mean. I don't know how it got to this point. Oh, I always was the one with all the love. You came along, I'm hunting you down. Oh, like you say, domestic abuser, looking for a fight. Oh, and all I wanted was a simple thing, a simple kind of life. Oh, if we met tomorrow for the very first time, would it start all over again? Would I try to make you mine? I always thought I'd be a mom. Sometimes I wish for a mistake. The longer that I wait, the more selfish that I get. You seem like you'd be a good dad. All those simple things are simply too complicated for my life. Not against so faithful to my freedom, a selfish kind of life. When all I ever wanted was a simple thing, a simple kind of life, 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 a simple kind of For a long time, I was in love.